Hey everyone, my name is Nicholas Riley and I'm a fourth year mechanical engineering student here at Oregon State. My final project for ME 499 was to break down and reverse engineer a LASCO space heater. This is a LASCO movable air heater. It is a 120 volt, 1500 watt ceramic heater. A ceramic heater means that it generates heat using a ceramic heating element made of PTC, or positive temperature coefficient ceramic. As the air passes over the heating element, it rises in temperature through the process of convection. Common customer requirements for these space heaters are that they are portable, energy efficient, affordable, heat up quickly, and most importantly, safe. I chose to reverse engineer this product because I was interested in how the manufacturer made a heater out of plastics and a handful of metal components. To use this product, you must plug it in. Then, once the power is connected, you have the option of twisting the dial on the left, which controls the power and the fan. You have the option of 0 or off, light fan mode 1 and 2, which speeds the rotation of the fan, that is powered by a small DC motor. On the right, you have temperature dial, which is regulated by a line voltage thermostat, which is underneath. There are several pain points with this product, safety being the biggest issue. This product has a history of components that melt or burn because of cheap components being used. There's no fail or safety switch on these LASCO heaters, meaning they can overheat or tip over, which will result in catching fire or at best warping the ABS plastic. After using the heater, it is time to look at the internals. The 4 screws on the back cover were positioned deep into the body of the heater. This made it difficult to pull the 2 shell components apart. Now we will take a deep dive inside and analyze the individual components. Part of the reverse engineering process was creating a bill of materials for the space heater, which includes components, manufacturing processes, and materials. Some of the main components that make up the space heater are thermoformed ABS plastic, such as the front and back encasing of the heater, along with other small framing and dial components. The frame for the heating element is polybutylene terephthalate, or PBT-GF, which is a semi-crystalline thermoplastic with 30% glass fiber. The heating element itself is made of galvanized steel plate on the side and aluminum fins in the middle. It is manufactured using several techniques such as machining, drilling, bending, and shaping. I was surprised to find that the manufacturers decided to use aluminum. This LASCO heater was advertised incorrectly. It should be considered as a convection heater instead of a ceramic heater, which is a specific type of convection heater made of barium titanate. Overall, this product was designed with low-cost manufacturing processes and materials in mind. Thermoforming and ABS plastic, which makes up a majority of this product, is cost-effective and can be manufactured rapidly. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you for listening.